This is Matt Russell from the FX Power Course, and welcome to the DailyFX walkthrough.
So here are the four pairs that I will be discussing this evening: the Euro Pound, the Aussie Kiwi, the Pound Swiss, and the Euro Swiss. So let's go ahead and head to the charts. The first chart is the Euro Pound, and this is the hourly chart, and this was the channel line that I mentioned in yesterday's report. We can see that prices actually moved above this upper resistance line, and that was confirmed with a close above the level. We also had a retest of the level. This is a good example of previous resistance acting as future support, as we had the close above the level and then two successful tests on the opposite side of the previous resistance line, which then did act as support. So right now, moving forward, not really any relevant trade setups. I like the just above that 93 figure potential resistance, maybe a borderline head and shoulder pattern here. But again, this is very short-term analysis, and as this occurred last night, as I mentioned in yesterday's report, that this is short-term analysis. These levels can easily break, and that's what happened here with the close above. So keep an eye, tentative resistance near that 93 figure. The next chart is the Aussie Kiwi, and this is a simple support line. This is a daily chart now, and I'm expecting this line to act as future resistance. The next chart is the Pound Swiss, and as I was mentioning during the last few reports, using the opposite side of the previous support line as potential resistance. We can see a few nice touches of that line and some sell-offs after that point. So moving forward, that's what I would look to do. Look to get an entry near that line, maybe try to make 30, 40 pips on the trade with a stop, maybe 100 pips above this previous support line, now acting as resistance. The last chart is the Euro Swiss, and not much has changed here. Still waiting for prices to come and test this shorter term daily support line. Again, this is the daily chart just above that 155 figure. So this is something we can look for over the next 24 to 48 hours. Again, my name is Matt Russell. I'm an FX Power Course instructor here at FXCM. Thanks for listening.